Hello, my lovely traders. I'm again here with another great lesson. Today, I'm going to place some live trades with the help of pure candlestick analysis. The pure candlestick psychology is only the way to predict the next candle perfectly. When I was new, I used a lot of indicator, but now I realize it was useless. Believe me. The indicator will indicate you after the candle closed. But if you want to make money, then you need to know before the candle close. Therefore, I do not use any indicator because it's making me confused. To make you understand, I upload different type of video on my channel with proper analysis along with the live trading. You don't need to be worried if you have any problem to summarize after watching all of my video from the channel. Because I made 3 different type of training course for traders. The complete course of educational video, the expert version of learning course, the sure sort of training course. Though it's not recommended for you, but if you want to learn quicker and efficiently or you are having to make money, then you can collect any of learning course. It's depend on your trading level. Don't think too much for the small fees. Believe me, it's nothing compared with the result. It's not even on the trading result. I had same problem too. I was thinking, let's make some money from the market, then I will learn from a trainer. But I lost again and again. Though I made some money for few days, but at the end I lost everything I had. One question I would like to ask you. If you can make money yourself, then why you are looking for learning from someone else? Try to find the problem you are facing and solve it. Anyways, there you will get recorded lesson for lifetime use. I also provide real-time support for 24/7 who join the group. So you can ask any question you have about trading. If you are really interested, then you can contact me on Telegram. The contact details given in the video description below. Okay, so market is moving quite faster. See? Now let me check where the candle closed. The closing point is very important. Okay, this is actually 50-50 chances. You need to understand each and everything because from here we have strong seller's entry. This is the seller's level, again seller's entry, and this is breakout candle. So up to this level we have buyer's entry, again seller's entry. Candle close at the level, exactly at the level with upper side rejection. It means sellers are here, buyers are here, but candle close exactly at the level. So there are 50-50 chances. Due to this rejection, due to this buyer's entry, there we can expect buyer's entry up to this level, up to this candle, or the candle close exactly at the level. Previous candle has strong sellers, so there we can expect sellers entry. Now let me close, and one thing, do not hurry while trading. When you hurrying about trading, you will get bad result. Okay, this is, I can go with buyers, but this is risky trade. I have placed here higher option. This is quite risky, but again we can see the sellers enter from here. There is no new low and the candle close above than the previous candle here. So there are chances to enter buyers. Though the market movement seems to very bad because as you can see, suddenly buyers and sellers are entering. So I am expecting this candle will be green candle. Let's see what happened here. And today is last day for the week, so the market will not work properly. Okay, I think I'm going to win my first trade, but still there is no confidence because faster movement. Okay, see, this is how the candlestick psychology work. You need to know the pure candlestick analysis. Okay, let me check. Okay, see, there is strong gap down. This is the level, candle close exactly at the level. From there supposed to enter sellers, but as we have strong gap down, candle open here, you can see this is the closing point for this candle. So after this, when you have open the candle here, then you can go with sellers, but not against this momentum, because this is very strong buyers momentum. So after that, sometimes there can we expect like small green candle too, something like this, then we can expect reversal candle. But instead of opening the candle here, we can see opening price here. So already sellers enter here. Sellers already taken that advantage. Now buyers turn to take advantage. Therefore, we have buyers entry. Okay, I think I missed this trade. It was good trade because the candle closed exactly at the level. This very strong level. If the candle comes little down, then I will go with buyers. No, not from here. And here let me check some other okay, I think this is good level to trade. Why this is good level? Because let me draw. This is the level. From here we have very strong buyers entry. Then buyers trying, at the end sellers entry, and as soon as market reach this level we have again buyers entry. Now we can see this is new high, candle close at the level, then we have buyers entry, but still there is no new low. Now we have to check the market strength. Market is trying to move down. Okay, I think we can go with buyers for on candle. Okay, not here because they are already gap up. So due to this gap up, there can be sellers entry again. But if the candle close weaker buyers, then we can go with sellers, or if the candle close weaker sellers, then we can go with buyers. Depend on how the candle forming. But the condition is there should not be new low. Check there is same height. So everything you need to check. I have explained each and everything on my training course. What you should follow. Okay, not now there is no trade any. There is no trade. Due to the sellers, there can be sellers entry, or this is strong candle, engulfing candle, so there can be buyers entry too. Okay, if the candle close at the level, then we can go with buyers, but there is no level. No, there is no level. If the candle close here above than this, then we can decide to go with buyers. Okay, there is, see, there is gap down. Now let me draw the level. See, this level will work mostly little down, and if the candle close very strongly, then we can take a risk here. If you follow each and every point, then there are more chance, and your target should not. Okay, you can see certain I supposed to go with sellers, but there is no time. I think I missed the trade. No need to worry, because I was deciding to go with sellers. The candle close exactly at the level, this level. Okay, and the candle is very strong, so the criteria matched perfectly, but due to that time I was not able to place trade. Now I have to draw the level again. So there is no clear level actually, but I think we can believe this. Yes, direct sellers entry. Okay, I'm going with buyers here. Yes, I have placed here higher option, and I am expecting here buyer's entry, and the candle will close little strong, I think, according to the candle psychology, but sometimes it can goes against you. No need to worry. See, I have placed the trade 2 seconds before the opening this candle. I mean, I have placed the trade in this candle because I was little confident about this trade. Okay, Sorry, there is some bad noise because of aeroplane. Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, so finally I have on this trade too. But the candle supposed to close as a strong green candle. As the market condition is not good, so the candle, okay, the candle is little weaker. But after this candle, there we can expect buyers or sellers both. There is no confidence. So you have to skip some trade too. Okay, this is a bigger time frame, so I need to close because I want to place only 1 minute trade, not more than that. Okay, this is a level. See, to understand the level, you don't need to draw each and every point. By watching this market, you will understand what is the level, where is the level, and will the level work or not. I have explained everything very clearly on my training course. Okay, there is new low and buyers are trying but unable to break, but every time making new high. You can see this is high, again new high, again new high, but this candle is confused because this candle made new low too. So new high, new low, candle close exactly at the level. So I think, okay, no, this is not a level, but this is the level. According to the candle psychology, after this candle they are supposed to enter sellers, but not now because there we have some rejection from upper side, so still there is some room to enter the buyers. But if the candle close strong candle something like this, then definitely we can expect sellers entry. If you can avoid your own losing trade out of 10, then you are increasing your winning percentage. Think about it. Okay, this is level, but this level will not work this time because this is the market movement. Let me draw the level. This is the market movement. Market is trying to move down, though this is a level. This time it work, but there is no new high. Every time market is trying to break this level, so most of the time, most of the case, this time the market will break this level and then will try to move off, then again break, something like this. So okay, already breakout, you can see. Otherwise, after this strong candle, there we can expect buyer's entry. As you can see, I was expected seller's entry if the candle closed here, but the candle closed here with the small gap on upper side, so there we have again buyer's entry. And after this candle also, we can't expect sellers or buyers. I mean, there is 50-50 chances again. So as the market is not working properly, I think it's better to avoid trading for this session, but I'll try to place one more trade if I have good chance. Otherwise, no. No, if this is strong level, then we can go with buyers, but I think this is not a strong level because I was expecting that level will break, but due to this candle, there we can expect buyer's entry. Okay. Okay, again sellers are trying. So this is kind of unpredictable market. There is new high gap. This is continuation candle. but sellers entry with huge gap. And you can see very strong sellers entry. This candle has also sellers, but now there is buyer. So the candlestick psychology is not working now. Okay, I'm going with sellers. This is risky trade as I don't have a good chance and I want to stop trading. Therefore, I just placed here lower option because I had here new low and market got buyers from this level. So I think again sellers will enter and candle close as a red candle, this candle. Therefore, I placed here lower option. If I win this trade, then this will be my last trade. If I lose this trade, then I will try to recover this losing trade. As you can see, the market movement is not good. Therefore, I just want to stop trading for today. Okay. There is no any confidence because the movement. Okay, I think I'm going to win this trade. Yes, so till now I have placed 3 trades. Out of 3, all are winning trade, and as the market movement is not good, so I want to stop the trading for today's session. So this is how the pure candlestick analysis works. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with another great lesson. Till then, take care.